This is Andrew Bosin. I'm a SaaS and artificial intelligence lawyer located in New Jersey. I help startups, vendors, and entrepreneurs across the US. So why should you retain my law firm to help your SaaS or AI company? It's pretty simple. It's two big reasons. It's legal experience and entrepreneurial experience. For the last 12 years, I've helped web-based companies, SaaS companies. I've helped hundreds of companies draft their privacy policies, their terms of use, their customer subscription agreements, API agreements, licensing agreements, NDAs, software development agreements. I'm a flat fee lawyer. When you pay me, it includes all my time, all the calls, all the drafts of the agreements, everything that is included, that's for one fee. And unlike a lot of other attorneys, you can text me. My clients love texting me. I call them right back. The other reason is I'm an entrepreneur, just like you. I've put thousands of hours into building two startups. My first company, my SaaS company, I exited in 2017. I scaled that with partners. My second company now is an artificial intelligence predictive analytics platform for sports. We're already in the marketplace, gaining traction, getting customers. I've rolled up my sleeves. I've been in the weeds. I understand what it's like to build and scale a company, Delaware C Corps, and all the shareholder agreements, equity, investors, go-to-market sales training, doing Zoom calls with potential customers, investors. I get the whole market. The legal agreements I draft for you are very smart, effective, very pragmatic, very easy to understand. So let's talk about what you get when you look for different types of attorneys to draft your SaaS or AI legal agreements. If you're going to go with a DIY site where you don't even know if it's a lawyer helping you, and you're going to try to get some sort of templated customer terms, maybe a privacy policy and a website terms of service agreement. There's a Latin term, it's called caveat emptor, it's buyer beware. That's what we learn in law school. You get what you pay for. They're not going to be customized. You're probably not going to get somebody asking you a lot of questions like I do about your platform and the data that you take in and what you're doing with these things. The other thing that you got to be careful of are the sites that have a bunch of lawyers on them. We all see them. We know what they are. But you know what? Are you really getting a SaaS lawyer? Are you really getting an artificial intelligence lawyer to help you? Or are you getting just a basic business lawyer that's going to try to do the agreements? Again, buyer beware. You get what you pay for. Are those lawyers probably less than what I'm going to charge? They probably are. But you're probably not going to get a very good agreement. When you're doing an AI agreement, let's say the customer agreement, so you're an artificial intelligence vendor, you've created it. Let's say you're integrating OpenAI or Gemini or whatever type of platform, or you're a SaaS vendor and you've integrated some sort of AI generative language or software into it. There is a lot of language that you need to create so that you are disclaiming the use of the artificial intelligence and the machine learning. You have to, because it's not perfected yet and because there could be errors or mistakes, the accuracy, you need language in these agreements that talks about the fact that AI is not perfect. Don't rely on it solely. You need definitions for input, output, content, training models. You need the customer to understand that whatever they're putting in the input, they got to guarantee the accuracy of that. And whatever comes out of the AI, the output, it might not be perfect, it might not be accurate, and they shouldn't be, relying on that solely. So you need good disclaimers, not a lot of warranties, you got to limit your liability. These are the types of things that you're not going to get with a lawyer that doesn't understand SaaS and AI or SaaS and AI agreements. You're not going to get this stuff in the agreements, and you're not going to be protected, and you're not going to really know what questions to ask your customers. If you have SaaS and artificial intelligence agreements that you need drafted because you're just starting out or you're a vendor and ready to go to market, please call me, Andrew Bosin, SaaS and AI lawyer and SaaS and AI entrepreneur, no matter where you're located across the US, at 201-446-9643.